Hello YouTube, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm taking the scaffolding wheels out of the EVAPORUST. And I think it doesn't work on this crap. Maybe my EVAPORUST is no more good, but I haven't used it very much, so I don't know. I'm not too certain about why this EVAPORUST is not working very well. Oh, if this one might have. See, normally you get, let's see, I'll take this off here. Normally it comes out a little better than this, but I don't know if it's because it's aged well, baked well, I don't know. I might just take it apart and just see if I can, if I can't get it apart, I might use heat and old-fashioned thing. Use the old-fashioned, what do you call it? But I'm going to throw something else in there for now just to see if it does, is it the metal or is it the EVAPORUST? Because it's not working too well. Let me find something. Yeah, okay, I see it. I see it, I see it. I think this, the wheels for this, the video for these wheels is probably going to end up one of these videos that I work on, and then I'm just going to stitch it all together later, because I'm going to throw this rusty bugger in there for a day or so and see how that turns out, because the EVAPORUST does not like these wheels one bit. It seems to be doing absolutely nothing. So maybe I got a bad batch. Who knows? Is there such thing as a bad batch? Sure there is. So anyway, I'm going to stitch this to the other one. I'll show you what I mean. Because I did, is it this one? Or yeah, I think it was this one. This one I'll show you over here. This one right here. I did this one, and it appears to be, let me back this up a little here. There's still a ton of rust on it. It feels like, not feels like it seems like it did absolutely nothing. So, I'll get one of these here, see what it does. See, I soaked this in there for 3 days. There's like, it's not even, it's like it did absolutely nothing. So either this is like a special kind of rust, or it's possible EVAPORUST and galvanizing just doesn't go. So I'm going to tinker with the other part over here. Hold on, I'll show you. Let me take this glove off. Excuse me for the burping or hiccuping. Let me see. This part. I'll turn you around here. If you look over here, this part I tried to, not this part, I took the bolt off of here, and I wedged it in my vise here, and I don't know if it's going to come out or what. Where's my hammer? Where's my hammer? See, it should, maybe, if I'm lucky. Should come out. Is it coming out? It's not even remotely moving. So I don't know. It turns. So what I think I'm going to do is bake this in some knocker loose here. Just see how it turns out. Put all that in there. And I'll leave this sit and bubble over for a couple of days. See if I can get it to come out. Maybe not, maybe so. If you don't know what this stuff is, right here, it's pretty good. It's good stuff. This turns not too well, but oh, it's getting caught on here, but it does move. There's a bunch of crud on there, part of the tire. This is kind of a questionable thing. So if I can get this bolt out, Looks like it's moving. If I mush it down a little, I'll just, what do you call it, rethread it a little. Or retread it. A retread. Dun, 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 dun. What do you know? I'm actually getting somewhere. Let's go like this. Ta-da. I'm gonna put it back down a little. And then I'm gonna push it back out a little. A little bit this way. A little bit that way. I only need them to work, so I don't need anything special after that. Do I have a pin to hit this with? Let me use this pin. Ouch. This is going to drop on the floor in a place where I'm never going to find it. Watch. Maybe back like this. Yeah. Come on. Feels like the Krusty Krab under here. Look at that. Nice and chewy. Wonder why it wouldn't come out. It's gross. That over here, probably replace that bolt. Dun, 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 dun. Now, will this come out? Will it come out of its crusty place? Oh, of course it will. I'm guessing it needs bearings of some sort. Not sure what kind of bearings. This is doable, this part right here. So anyway, we lost that little piece down there. I don't know how the hell that fit in there, but I don't really care if these pieces are perfectly clean. I just want the wheels to work. So, I have a screwdriver here. Did I put all my tools away? Holy camole. What is wrong with me? Should just keep some. Let me see this. Crud monster. I don't know what's in there. 500 years of muck. I don't know what this is. Weird. It's cruddy. It's incorrigible. I'm guessing there was a bearing in here. Some sort of a sleeve. Weird. Maybe I should look. Maybe I should look for new wheels. That might work. Because I'm guessing this Zerk is no more little thing here. And if I pull this out, I don't know if it's sleeved with plastic, some kind of chunky ass metal. Not sure. And the society we live in today, it probably has nothing. There's probably not even. Is it? There's probably no replacement, anything for this anywhere. I don't know what that is in there, but I'm guessing if the bolt, this might have spun. There was a Zerk in there, but I don't know what the hell. I don't know if this used to spin around or what. I'll check, see if I can get some more wheels for it. Let's just break this apart here. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. This is broken. I'm assuming there was bearings in here. Something was in there. It's like the Krusty Krab in there. Krusty, crusty. Oh my god. Maybe I should look into getting new bearings for this. Not bearings. New wheels. New wheels. Look at it. It's like, it's all caked in there. Is this a project for Superman? I think so. I don't know, like, what is this? Just a, like, what the heck goes in there? I don't know, it's just a little channel. Let me give it a wacky in there. Alright, there we go. Maybe it's pressed in there. Whatever I did, I took some of the crud out of there. This thing is funked, man. It's like, it is literally like right here, like way too small. It's like so corroded. It's freaky. All right, let me put this away. Anyway, enough of this. I will put them all together. Basically, not do a video and just tell you what I did with it. So, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and this is just the crap I do all the time. So, if you want to stick around and watch what I do, awesome. Thanks for watching. Toodles. Hello, folks. Anyway, to end this series and what was I going to say now? No, these casters I've been taking apart. See, here's the dilemma. I could take these apart and buy a new wheel for 17 bucks, which would probably be cool. I think we're all buying a new wheel, fixing it. But $17 times 4, we'll just round it off to, like, let's say 20 bucks. That's 80 bucks plus shipping. Should I spend 80 bucks plus shipping? And that's American, because Canadian, I know in Canada it's going to be even more expensive. So here's the dilemma. Do I fix these ones? Do I just buy new casters? Because the body of them's pretty good. Some of the little things don't swivel. That's another problem, because I know I'll never find bearings for those. So do I just chuck them? Which is probably a good idea, because I can go online for $99, which is probably what I'm going to pay, including the shipping. You know, $99 free shipping on Amazon. I can buy a whole new set. So probably in order to save me the aggravation, I'm gonna ponder this and figuring, you know what, all the aggravation, the waste of EVAPORUST and all my time, I might just throw them in the scrap pile, because it's probably easier, and just tear them apart for no reason. But because the bolts are I'm gonna need new bolts. It's gonna need, like, you know, bearings. But the general gist of these things, like this, like, you know, this piece is fine and cleaned up. This part over here, I mean, it's usable. See, this thing, just got to put a new bolt in there. I have tons of bolts. This thing spins kind of crunchy. But should I just buy a new set? I mean, it doesn't spin perfectly. It's, you know, the other one, this one here is worse. One of them doesn't spin. So I'm like, should I go through the aggravation? Yeah, I might just chuck them all in the garbage. Probably be easier. Sometimes you just have to decide, do you want to spend a year on this when I could work on this Wilton Vice and have more fun? So I'm probably going to just send them to the trash. Oops. Because, I mean, why bother, right? Why even... They're, what do you call it? They're not vintage, they're scaffolding things. And so, anyway, I'm going to end that video here. I'll probably just make a little report what I did, and ta-da, that's it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and tell all your friends, cousins, aunties, and alien friends to come watch my channel. Toodles.